Natakot ka na bang magkamali sa iyong desisyon dahil baka makasira ito sa lahat? Para sa mabugang buhay, tayo na po't magkapet pandasal. We live in a culture of optimization where we feel pressure to choose the perfect career. But that often leaves us paralyzed by direction anxiety. Yung laging hinahanap natin ang malinaw na patutunguhan. Sa totoo lang, maraming oras na malabo sa buhay. When Jesus points to himself and says, I am the way, he doesn't hand us a map. This shifts the pressure of our decision making and into his companionship. When we realize that the way is a person walking beside us rather than a hidden destination, the fear of making a mistake begins to melt away. Kung kasama mo ang may alam sa pupuntahan, hindi tayo matatakot na mawala. You aren't navigating a maze. You're following a guide who knows the terrain of your future better than you do. Even when the life feels like a detour, you aren't lost if you're with Him. Manalangin po tayo. Panginoon, isinusuko namin ang pangangailangan makita ang buong plano mo sa aming buhay. Sa halip, gabayan mo kami laging magtiwala na aabot din kami sa aming hantungan ng dahil sa iyong ilaw. Amen.